Welcome back, folks. Episode 3, learning to use the CNC router. Today I'm going to do my first project with the router. We're going to be making a desk tabletop. Pretty basic, fairly simple, and it should be a good project to start learning feeds and speeds, how to operate the machine, and hopefully we don't make too many mistakes along the way, but if we do, that's all good because it's learning. Okay, so looking at the CAD model for the desk, we have a rectangle, obviously, and then a radius along the bottom. We'll see how that works out in terms of ergonomics, but it's not my desk if it's not any good. We have 2 pockets up the top and a circular pocket for cables, and this is using a 3/8" compression cutter running at 15 meters a minute, 15,000 RPM, and 0.5 millimeters feed per tooth. The next toolpath is the chamfer. The reason I'm doing the chamfer next instead of doing the profile cutout, which you would normally do, is because with a lot of the BikeStow components that we'll be doing, if we do the profile cutout first and then the chamfer, there's a good chance that the components could move whilst we're cutting. So I'm doing the chamfer first here just to experiment with how that works. Finally, we have the 2D contour profile cut to cut out the desk from the bit of stock wood with the same 3/8" compression cutter from earlier, this time running at 20 meters a minute, 18,000 RPM, but the same feed per tooth of 0.5 millimeters. So if we simulate this whole operation, you'll see we've got the pocketing first, both pockets, then the circular one, and then we've got the chamfer tool which comes round and puts in a little V. And then finally we switch to the compression cutter, which does the full profile. Okay, so material is on the bed now for the desk. First thing we need to do is set the surface, the top of the material, and we press the surface button there. Set surface, yes to all 5. And now we jog Z down. And place that underneath. Press and hold 0 to auto set, and it comes down and touches off. Cool, so that's our surface set. You do the exact same to set the maximum depth, i.e. the top of the spoil board. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that now. You're meant to set the surface with the vacuum pump on, but I didn't because it's really noisy and you wouldn't be able to hear me. Now we have to set our home, which will be in this front corner here. We bring the machine over to where we want it. And then we hit home, set home position here. Yes, please, home set. There we go. Okay, dust extractor is on, vacuum pump is on. I'm gonna load up the program and we'll start cutting. Desk is done. That went very well. Oh, that shampoo is nice.
Oh my god, look! Oh.